To all of you. Yeah. This is my first interaction in such a large forum here after joining as IG Punjab Frontier. As you all are well aware that in Punjab Frontier, BSF is mandated to guard the border, which is stretching to 553 kilometers. And our main role is maintaining the sanctity of the border. We have our SOPs in place in which we are working with various agencies, and the moment BSF sees any drone, it is immediately intimated as per the SOP to the state police, to the different agencies, and we swing into action, which includes immediate nakabandi, choke points are all blocked, then searches are conducted at the first light, and it's a very extensive thing which we are doing right now. A lot of technology implementation is also being done. We are continuously using more of technology along with the manpower. Coming to the point which is now a matter of circulation is related to the notifications. So I would like to touch upon that also. The BSF has been mandated to perform the roles as I mentioned earlier, and since 1969, as per the notification, BSF was given the mandate to act under certain laws and acts, which included the Passport Act, the Passport Entry to India Act, NDPS, Customs, Arms Acts, certain provisions of CRPC. And the jurisdiction was till 15 kilometers. So from 1969 onwards till the notification which came in October, BSF has been doing this job till 15 kilometers. With this change, it's only in the schedule. There is no change in any of the acts or the laws. The jurisdiction has been extended to 50 kilometers. And only in two acts, that's the Passport Act Entry into India 1920 and Passport Act 1967 and the CRPC provisions. I would like to emphasize here that BSF has worked in this area right from beginning from 1965. We always maintained a very close coordination and cooperation with the state police. It is for the national security and in the interest of the nation. BSF is not a policing organization. As a result of which, BSF doesn't have the power to register any FIR nor to do any investigation. So till date also, whenever we do any search or seizure along the borders, after conducting that seizure, we hand it over to the police or to the other law enforcement agency, which in the case of the drugs is the NCB. We don't have any mandate to work under the Evidence Act, IPC. So even when we hand over any such seizure material to any of the law enforcement agencies, then they go ahead with the FIR, with the investigation, booking the culprits, bringing it to the logical conclusion by filing the charge sheet in the court, and then subsequent the criminal procedure is set into motion in the court. So the power of the police remains. We are only complementing them and assisting them and strengthening them. As mentioned earlier,